For today's cybersecurity interview, can you explain what cross-site scripting is? So cross-site scripting can also be known as XSS, and it's a type of website attack. Let's say we have a website that allows users to post comments, but we aren't properly sanitizing those comments. What does sanitizing mean? Sanitization just means we're ensuring that user input, in this case a comment, is treated as just text. We should remove any dangerous characters and ensure it cannot execute any code. Okay, so what happens if we don't sanitize and allow it to execute? Well, that's when you have cross-site scripting or XSS. In this example, let's say a malicious user made a text post and added a sneaky script in there. In this script, they added a call to a website and they wanted to pull your local cookies. What this script does is if anyone loads that comment on their computer, it would send their current session cookie to my website so I can steal their current session cookie. When I have their session cookie, I could then log in as that user and do anything I want on the website as their account. Okay, that seems bad. Is this the only type of XSS there is? Well, no, there are three different types of cross-site scripting. There's the stored XSS, which is the example we just used with the comment, where the website actually stores and runs the code on it. There's reflected SSS, which usually happens in a URL or a link, meaning I would need to send a dangerous link to someone and they would need to specifically click on that link. And then there's DOM-based XSS, which exploits client-side JavaScript vulnerabilities and doesn't even actually hit the server at all. Any website that accepts user input like search boxes, contact form, comments, and user profile information is potentially vulnerable if developers don't properly sanitize and validate their input. You should never trust any user input. You should use content security policy headers or CSP headers. And you should always be sure the input you're getting is properly being sanitized to avoid things like code, SQL injection, command calls, and other things. Wow, that was a great example. I think I understand cross-site scripting a little bit better.